The next day, breakfast. Breakfast. Dima, you having your breakfast son? And then after this, water park.
To the pool.
Yep. Good job.
He's so big.
Nice.
Are we going upstairs?
Yeah, this way. Up.
She's tired.
11 steps. 21 steps.
Yeah. Yeah, Dima, go. Let's go.
Can you come with us to that blue
Yeah.
side right there? That other side?
Can you say hi? She's not quite sure what to think of all this, but she's having fun. She thinks she's in a giant bath and she's washing up.
You ready? Oh, good job, Mila. Good job, Mila. Hey, Dima. Woo, good job. Excellent. That was good.
She's getting used to it.
Want to go again? The big one? Good. Come on, Jimmy, let's go. Go, just go through. Let's go, buddy. We'll get there. Come on. Don't run. Come on, big man. There's a big line. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Good. Good. Okay.
I'm so excited now.
Very exciting, huh?
Okay, guys, ready? And go.
All right, Dima, you ready, buddy? Good boy, Dima. Go for it.
They're going to go down the slide and we're going to cheer them on. He's about to come down the red slide. There's Dima! Woo! Daddy, oh my God!
Hi, children.
Is it good? You sucked out some water?
Yeah, I was going fast.
I'm not gonna go on the orange one. You go and I go. What's the less scary one?
The orange one is less scary.
I wanna do the orange one.
Okay.
I wanna do the red one, Daddy.
Come on, guys, let's go. Good job, Mila. I go. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, it's okay. Come on.
I'm so excited. I can see the red one. Oh, this is so amazing. So we're going down this giant fast water slide. Real fast. You got it.
Keep going, Dima. Good. Come on, honey. You're almost there. Give me your hand. Good. Come on, let's go. Good job. Awesome. Come on. How is it doing? Why didn't you do it like we do? There we go. Hi, Mila. How are you doing? The river is a little busy. Coming on? Like this, Mila. Come on, Mila, go. Woo. Come on, go. Woo. Come on, Mila. Go for it. You ready, buddy? We'll race. You want to race? Okay. Bye. There's Mila. Good job, bud. That's our boat, buddy. Alright. I go facing backwards. So I go here. You go right there. Yep. Oh! Got it! Here we are. We're gonna go in one of these. Yeah. In just a second, right? Come on, man. Alright, guys. Here. Have fun. Whee! Here we go. Whoa, so fun! Let's just go! Yay! Here we go! Yeah, buddy! Almost there. Close your eyes. And we're out. You guys have fun at the park today?
Yeah.
You looking forward to tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Number 1 and number 2.
Getting dinner. We're about to get dinner, right? You guys ready for dinner?
I smell mangoes.
So can we just go ahead and go? Here you go, Josie. Here's a spoon for you, honey. Which one do you want? You want this one? Here you go, Mama. Yummy food, Josie.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Right.
I could eat like this every night.
Mia! 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 Where are you? I'm here.
Julie, where are you?
Where are you, Josie?
Josie, where are you?
Where'd you go?
Josie, where are
I
you?
can't see you.
Josie, where are you?
Well, that's
Squeaky clean. You look like a teenager.
She's on. It's stuck to her chin. Is it good?
Did you fart, Josie?
No.
Daddy.
Who farted?
Mom, are we going the right way? Mom, are we going the right way?
Back out again. This time going to the arcade. Awesome.
For a little bit.
Just for a little bit.
Dad, follow me!
Yeah, we gotta get tickets. You're doing okay?
Super fun.
Awesome. go, go. Put him in there. Put him in there. Quick, quick, quick.
Do we win?
Your ticket.
Oh, Daddy, thank you. Dad, what does this mean?
Wait for him. Wait for him to look.
Tickets, man. What does tickets mean? I get one.
Make him put that back on the.
We're going home. We're ready to go home. Let's go. I think she might be a little scared.
Scared of what?
Wait, Dima Mila.